Looking for a way to add gold to your jewelry? Keum-Boo is a versatile technique without the financial commitment of working in solid gold. Watch this video to learn how the process works. Keum-Boo is an ancient Korean gilding technique used to fuse thin sheets of gold to silver. To get started, the supplies you'll need is a hot plate with a metal on top, fine silver or depletion gilded sterling silver, agate burnishers, tweezers or tongs to hold down pieces, paper cutters, and you'll need pre-cut or uncut gold foil. So first we'll need to cut our gold foil. You want to make sure you don't touch it with your hands and put any oil or fingerprints on your gold foil. We're going to use this paper cutter and we're going to cut out a nice little star. You're going to use your tweezers to handle the gold foil. We're going to burnish from the inside outward. And as you can see, the gold foil lays down when the temperature is right. And it sticks to it like cling wrap. I'll switch burnishers to keep it cool. If your burnisher heats up, it will stick to the foil. So you want to switch out your burnishers when you can. You actually will start to lift off the gold foil when the burnisher gets too hot. Just going to burnish it down. Light pressure. Pressure like if you were gently rubbing the surface of something. You don't want to scratch it off. Just like if you're erasing something, you're going to gently rub it. You don't want to press too hard. All of the supplies I've used here are available at riogrande.com and linked in the description. There is a 23.5 karat yellow gold foil made specifically for Keum-Boo that is worth trying out. And if you'd like to learn about other options for incorporating gold into your jewelry, we've also linked an article in the description. I hope this video inspires you to try this technique, and if you have further questions, please feel free to contact us.